start the tackle, he's always going to finish there.
Hi, you already here work?
Yeah.
Where? Balut? I will ask Shaira, maybe she want balut also. She in kimchi wait me. In kimchi restaurant, yeah.
Kimchi?
Yes. I will ask her. Maybe if she want kimchi, she will buy.
No, I mean, like, I don't like. Where's yours? Dapat ko po lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, mga putang inang walang upang na roon. Dapat ko po lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, mga putang inang.
Oh, Shaira alone sit here. Hi Shaira, did you already order?
Yes.
What you order?
Kebab and ramen.
Inside the Clark Park, CDC Park with Shaira, and we jogging here. After finish sit in kimchi restaurant, little bit need walk, not run of course, but it's good. Maybe 1 hour we can walking here in the park. In the park, road is wet. I think maybe a few minutes ago it's rained before. Yeah, everything wet. Sometimes in the Clark is different weather than in the Angeles. Sometimes in Clark have rain, in Angeles don't have rain. This is renovation, is road for jogging. In the Clark always they fix something. In the park, few people today. Friday, 9:20 p.m. And parking also, not so many cars. We already going to home because starting already rain in the Clark Park. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.